Hello everyone, it's Norm again from EuroStar Windows here at our Ottawa showroom. Wanted to show you guys what a bifolding door looks like and also how it operates. This is a aluminum thermally broken bifolding door. What I mean by that, it's thermally broken, is the frame is made out of two separate parts. You have an exterior aluminum frame and an interior aluminum frame, and they're bridged together by a thermal break. The thermal break doesn't conduct the heat and cold. So whatever the temperature is outside, it's not conducting it through the aluminum to the inside. It's actually a very well made, very efficient door. This particular door is 9 feet wide by 7 feet high, but it can be made with multiple panels up to 20 feet wide and 10 feet in height. This particular one, the way it works is all 4 panels will stack on the left side. And how that works is simple. We have a hardware system that unlocks. You have a multiple amount of locks all the way around the door, so it's very well made. And the way it works is like this. And then all 4 panels stack on the left side of the door on the inside, since this is the inside, giving you ample amount of room. And to bring this door back into place, we basically pull the door. We close the first section, and we close the second section. The door can be made with an operating single door, like to gain entrance into the house with exterior hardware, where you can have a door that just opens up. But then you'll have a door on this side and then your panels on this side. It can also be made, because it's a European door, it can also be made as a tilt and turn door. So the top portion of the door will tilt, having air coming in to the home by also the door being very secured at that position. The door can come in a multiple amount of colors. You also have an option for blinds if you wanted to put blinds on the door. The blinds are basically, they come in any color you want, any shade you want, and also is available with an optional screen on the outside. This is a EuroStar bifolding door.